According to a report by a Swiss group that ranks cities based on their air quality, Delhi was the most polluted capital city in the world in 2020, and this is a distinction that Delhi has earned now for 3 consecutive years. This report measures cities in terms of the PM 2.5 levels that can enter the organs and cause a lasting damage, and Delhi is number 1. So this week, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal inaugurated the country's first smog tower in Delhi's Connaught Place with an aim to improve the capital's air quality. This is a pilot project at the moment, and if it is successful, then more smog towers will be installed in the national capital. But each tower costs 20 crore rupees and impacts a 1 kilometer radius. So if you do a rough math, Delhi will need around 2.5 million such towers to actually be able to cover the entire area of the national capital and clear the air. Before we get into the merits of this, let's break down for you what is a smog tower. A smog tower is like any other tower made of steel or cement. It is designed to work essentially as an air purifier. It is fitted with layers of air filters and industrial grade fans. These electrostatic air filters can actually filter out smoke, dust and even pollen particles. So it can actually filter out even the tiny particles of dust and pollen. The government claims that these towers that it's planning to set up in several other areas as well purifies around 1000 cubic meter of air per second and can influence the air quality in a 1 kilometer radius from where the tower has been set up. So how does a smog tower actually work? Well, very simply put, and this is an oversimplification in a certain sense, it uses an air cleaning system. So the polluted air is essentially sucked in at the top of the tower. It is then passed through filters, industrial grade filters and fans that are installed, and then the filtered air is then released from the bottom of the tower. So that's roughly the technology that a smog tower is based on. On the show today, but we look to answer a slightly more complicated question. Is this an actual solution to pollution, or is it just an expensive gimmick? Because many experts have actually come out and been very critical of the Delhi government's move. We have Dr. Bhargav Krishna, currently a faculty at the Public Health Foundation of India, also the co-founder of Care for Air. We have Saurabh Bharadwaj, MLA and spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Tanushree Ganguly, Program Lead, Council on Energy, Environment and Water. Ronak Sutaria, founder of Respirer Living Sciences. Thank you all very much for being with us on the show. Saurabh Bharadwaj, I want to begin by asking you first, the rationale of this move. It's 20 crore rupees for a tower. The rough estimates show that Delhi is going to need over 2 million such towers if we actually have some kind of a shot at cleaning the air.
One thing is that Delhi government doesn't claim that erecting smog towers is the only solution for working on the pollution in Delhi. And are you able to listen to me?
Yes. Sorry, we couldn't hear you. No, we couldn't hear you very clearly. So I urge you to repeat yourself, please.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that this smog tower is not the only solution for Delhi's pollution problem. This is one of the measures which Delhi government is doing. And because this is a kind of a new thing which is happening in India, obviously there will be criticism, and we are open for any kind of criticism. Look, we are not the experts in this. We have a lot of panel experts in this channel debate, and obviously there are a lot of other experts who are out there, and we are all open for all kind of criticism, all kind of suggestions. But I just want to say that Delhi, if you compare to any state in India, we have been doing a lot in terms of, first, we have closed all the thermal power plants in Delhi. There are thermal power plants running in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, all surrounding Delhi. We have closed ours. In Delhi, all the factories which used to run on coke are now run on PNG, although all our neighboring states are still doing the same. We don't use generators. Most of the power supply in Delhi is 24/7, so we are no more dependent on that.
Okay.
And because of a lot of things like, encouraging electric vehicles and things like that, this is not my data. the central government's data says, and they have put it in as an affidavit in Supreme Court, that we in Delhi have been able to reduce PM 2.5 by 25% in 3.5 years. This is one of the solutions which was discussed in Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court wanted us to erect one and let it be studied by the experts. I am not an expert. If experts say that this is not a good solution, we'll agree to it. We'll find a good solution. We'll move for a better solution. If this can give some kind of, help, we will try to, replicate it at more places.
Well, as I said at the very outset, this is a pilot project at the moment. The Delhi government, is going to examine the efficacy of these smog towers and then actually, decide on whether there is merit in erecting more such towers, because it is, after all, a huge investment to make.